Yes. Yesterday I have completed the uh, active link tag helper for the CSS class. Just today I have do custom button tag helper. For that I create the class, and this class inherit from the tag helper. Tag helper. In the tag helper, I assign the attribute just like same as a tag help. Just uh, active link tag helper same as on here. I also assign is a this is a HTML target element. Same as on here. I assign the name tag name. On here change the name is a on here custom target element. Change the name. You can write command button or something you as in the naming convention. Command button. Okay. This is you can show in the when you view the browser, then show this command button and create the property public string value get set public string class get set. Okay. HTTP just 1 second I guess. Yes. Then on here define the attribute HTTP attribute just I on here HTTP attribute on here copy this is name and name is value value on here copy on here this is a class. Okay, attribute name also question mark this is remove the warning. After that this is a class, and after the glide I override the one prop pro this print the public override wide access. Okay, on is a tag helper, and on this there are the two parameter, and I get the value in the constant tag helper constant and the return value in the output tag helper output. Get value from here this parameter and set value on this parameter. Then next
Okay.
string str html is equal to, because this is a HTML and I have created the custom helper for the button. Then I write the HTML on here. Button type is equal to submit. Submit. Button type is equal to submit. Name is equal to command. And class is equal to on here class name. This is class, and this is CSS class. Okay, close and close button. LTE button. Okay, there is some issue. Button on here. Remove this line. Okay, then this is a class, and also assign the button type name value. Okay, then assign on is a value. Okay, this is it. And set this value in output. This is a parameter output, set value on here. Output dot set set attribute set html. This not coming. Set html content. Okay, this will not come. Output dot content dot set. Yes, here. Again repeat this line code. This is a HTML target element. This is command button. Okay, this from this name you can show in the HTML, and when you write code and go to the expect element, then show this name command button or something you can want to write the name. And after that, this is a class custom button tag helper and inherit from the tag helper. Okay, assign this I have we need in button two value. This is a class and value. So then we need assign this two value. Okay, value in class. This is attribute name which from which value you can assign this value on this on here. Okay, and this is a override method process. This is inbuilt function. Through this pass to
But
parameter
that is
from
a class name is CSS class, huh?
class name is a CSS class. This is a class CSS class. Yes, this is in
Okay.
the CSS class.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Mm.
and set get value from this parameter and set value in this parameter. This is a button, है ना? Same like you can
Okay.
you want to input type or drop
Mm.
down or checkbox or something you as you want, you can do on here, है ना?
Okay.
Then continue, and this button, suppose
For
I
each
have,
control, we need to write a different.
sorry,
Like for each control, we need to write a different custom helper or one
you can
custom tag we can
you
do
can write
multiple.
the every control,
Hmm.
you can write every control custom helper.
For one custom helper, we can write for all control if it is the same functionality.
नहीं, if you change the some logic or custom helper or some CSS
Same
class
logic, like
through same
initially
logic.
you have done like text change you have done, so color change. So
Yes,
same color change we are doing for one single page in a button, text box, everything.
yes, no, actually, this is a simple example. Actually, we need some, say, you do not want to change the in the HTML, and you want to change from the C sharp. Then you change from use the custom helper. This is a secure. You have
Mm.
some logic on here. Then you for that, actually this is a scenario base. You can create the custom. Actually, already provide C sharp .NET inbuilt function. This is some extra code on here.
Mm.
If you need logic or some security, this is actually this is C code. This is when you build this code and publish, then this is a library. As a library will work, custom helper.
Okay.
Then on here, if you need to any logic or CSS as a logic base, then you can create the custom helper. Otherwise, no need custom helper. Then
Okay.
create this button on here. This is a login button on here. This is the input type, submit. Okay, then comment this line. I create custom command button on here. This is command button. Okay, this is command. Suppose I change the name. If you want to change the name on here, command name is a dot a hyphen button. Then check on here a hyphen button. This is not coming. Actually, some or another are also change. And command button. Build a hyphen button. Then okay, this is a hyphen button. This will come. Yes, just I change the name. Then I check this button class BT primary BT hyphen primary. This is command button and name is value. Value is login and This is login, and also on here another create the button login, and this is a uh, warning. This is warning, and this is a cancel. Save this code. Login and cancel. Then just I check on here. I create button and assign this value on here. This is a 2 button. Then run this. On here, this is color is not coming. Just I check button type. There is coming command button. Command button. Correct? Command button.
Yeah.
There is coming command button. Inside this button. There is change on here. Actually, another class is not applied between between hyphen primary between hyphen body. Then again run this. Their class is not coming. BTN there is only this class. The name command process. Okay. Value. This is applied on here. Value. Class is equal to this sum is shown here. Let's just check. Yes, there is issue on here. There is actually I'm not write the this is com inverted. This is com. I'm not it on here. This is on there. There okay. Then this is color is a login and button. I create from with the custom helper. This is a command button and this is there is a this is okay for this is enough custom helper. If any question, then let me know. Then or I close and next.
Can you tell some examples like in the scenario where they will use custom helper?
Actually, suppose when you write the some you do not want to write the some inbuilt functionality and write some uh, input type. This is all these controls you can write custom as you for the security. Actually, there is a inbuilt functionality button. I'll know this button, and if you write input type, all person know this input type. Then change the for this security. You can change. You can create custom helper, or you need to some dynamic CSS or some value or other. There is a scenario you can create custom helper, and and, and also there is a server side. Na? The server side is a actually in HTML. This is a not more secure if you want to secure some logic. So we can create the custom helper on server side because this is a server side. This is secure. This is another point. But no more need to this custom helper. Actually, this is some less scenario than I use custom helper. This is I use. Huh? Understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Then close this.